Hi guys, I'm on Salle Way in Salford M6 to show you this beautifully presented modern 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. It's located just a short walk from Buell Hill Park, within walking distance from Salford Royal Hospital and close to local schooling as well. As we head inside, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway which provides access to a downstairs toilet just through here. Then just off the side we've got this lovely kitchen diner. It's a nice modern space. Straight over from the hall we have the family lounge, which is a tastefully presented space as well. And then to the side of the property, we've got this nice garden with later lawn grass and paving as well. Like I say, the property is just a short walk from Buell Hill Park, close to local schooling, so it makes ideal opportunity for families to secure their next home. It would be a great investment as well. Upstairs from the landing, we have 3 well-proportioned bedrooms. This is the second just through here. We have the third. Stylish 3-piece bathroom suite. Main bedroom just through here. There's also benefits for this lovely 3-piece ensuite shower room. Properties in this location are always popular. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.